Have you ever wondered what voltage really means? Let's make it super simple using water as an example. Imagine two water tanks at different heights. The top tank is full of water, and the bottom tank is partly filled. The pipe connects them. The height difference creates water pressure. This pressure pushes water through the pipe. In electricity, voltage works the same way. It's the pressure that pushes electric charges through a wire. So voltage equals electrical pressure. Higher voltage means more push, just like a taller tank gives more water pressure. Now tell me in the comments, where do you see voltage in your daily life? Batteries, power sockets? Share your thoughts. Ever wondered how voltage actually makes a bulb glow? Let's break it down with a simple water analogy. Think of the battery like these two water tanks. One tank is at a higher level, the other is lower. The height difference creates pressure. In electricity, this pressure is called voltage. It pushes electric charges through the circuit, just like water flows through a pipe. When the circuit is complete, the charges flow through the bulb, and that flow makes the bulb light up. So, voltage doesn't light the bulb alone. It provides the push for current to flow. Here's a question for you. If you increase the voltage, what happens to the brightness of the bulb? Comment your answer below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for next informative video.